XRP just scored a major win. A NASDAQ-listed company, Nature's Miracle Holding, has announced it's setting up a $20 million XRP treasury. That's right. A publicly traded firm is putting XRP on its official balance sheet. This is a clear signal that corporate adoption of XRP may be shifting from theory to reality. So, let's break this down. Nature's Miracle Holding is a US-based company in the farming technology space. And in its latest announcement, it revealed plans to allocate up to $20 million toward XRP purchases. This isn't just about speculation or short-term trading. According to their official statement, they intend to make XRP a central pillar of their long-term capital positioning. Now, where is this money coming from? The company recently entered an equity financing agreement with GHS Investments, and it registered this financing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission through Form S-1. So, this move has legal and regulatory backing. Once Nature's Miracle decides to draw down funds from this financing, they'll use part of it to buy XRP. But they're not stopping at just buying the token. Nature's Miracle also plans to explore staking options and integrate more broadly with Ripple's blockchain ecosystem. This includes using XRP to possibly reduce cross-border costs and diversify their capital holdings beyond traditional fiat currencies. Let's pause here. Why does this matter? Because this is one of the very first times we're seeing a publicly listed company in the US formally adopting XRP for its corporate treasury. It's a different kind of milestone. While we've seen Bitcoin and Ethereum make it onto corporate balance sheets before, like Tesla holding BTC or MicroStrategy loading up on Bitcoin, XRP hasn't really seen the same level of institutional embrace until now. Even though $20 million may not seem huge in the crypto space, especially compared to Bitcoin holdings, it's still significant for a few reasons. First, it's a publicly declared amount by a NASDAQ-listed firm. Second, it's part of a clear strategy that includes exploring staking, DeFi applications, and cost efficiency through RippleNet. That tells us this isn't just a PR move. They're serious. And Nature's Miracle is not alone. Earlier this year, Trident, a company listed in Singapore, said it would deploy $500 million into an XRP treasury strategy. Yes, $500 million. That raised a lot of eyebrows. On top of that, Hyperscale Data is reportedly moving forward with a $10 million XRP allocation connected to a new DeFi lending initiative. So we're beginning to see a pattern here. Multiple companies, from farming tech to data infrastructure, are quietly moving XRP into their financial plans. And they're doing it not just for investment purposes, but as a way to participate in the broader Ripple blockchain ecosystem. But what should we make of all this? First, it's important to stay realistic. Corporate adoption of XRP is still in its early stages. We're not seeing massive waves of companies following MicroStrategy's Bitcoin strategy, at least not yet. However, these smaller but very public moves are laying the groundwork for something larger. Second, the Ripple versus SEC legal situation, while not fully resolved, seems to be easing up. That may be giving companies more confidence to experiment with XRP without worrying about regulatory backlash. Nature's Miracle registering their financing through SEC's Form S-1 shows they're not trying to sneak around the system. They're doing it in full view of regulators. In the end, the big takeaway is this. XRP is beginning to gain traction where it really counts, inside corporate boardrooms. It might not cause an immediate price explosion, but it does help establish XRP as more than just a trading token. It's becoming a part of real-world finance and enterprise infrastructure. And if more companies follow the lead of Nature's Miracle and Trident, XRP's reputation in the business world could shift dramatically in the months ahead. So, while the number $20 million might not shake the entire crypto market, the message behind it certainly might.